Do you want to know how you can log into your Gusto Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Gusto Payroll account. Go ahead and go to the search bar to search for Gusto Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen or search for Gusto Login and click on this link. It will take you directly to this login portal where you can log in using your email address, your Google account, your Xero account, or sign in with your Intuit account as well. So let me teach you firstly how you can log in using your email address. Go ahead and write down your email address in this box over here. After that, write down your password in another box. After you write down your password, make sure to check your password by clicking on this So button. If you want your device to be remembered, go ahead and click on this and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Gusto account using your email address. You can also sign in using Google, Xero, or Intuit accounts, so you can click on it, write down your credentials associated with these accounts, and then you can sign in to your Gusto account quite easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.